If you're experiencing server timeout issues in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to help calibrate and potentially fix the problem. This guide provides a quick and straightforward approach. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. Step 2. Restart your router. Power cycle your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. This can help refresh your connection and resolve any temporary issues. Step 3. Update game and system. Make sure that both Cyberpunk 2077 and your gaming platform PC, console are updated to the latest version. Updates often include fixes for connectivity issues. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Consider changing your DNS settings to a more reliable server such as Google DNS 8.8, 8.8 and 8.8 4.4. This can improve connection stability and reduce timeout errors. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to the game's support team for further assistance. They may be able to provide additional troubleshooting steps or information about server status. By following these steps, you should be able to address the server timeout issues in Cyberpunk 2077. If problems continue, keep an eye on official channels for updates and solutions.